Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. You can pair this watch with the phone in two ways. The first method is to do it during the setup process of the watch, so basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second method is to do it via the settings once the watch has been already set up. I'm gonna show you the during setup process method first, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it via settings. Okay, so first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the light button. Once the watch turns on, and if it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by pressing the up and down buttons. Select the language you like to use on your watch, and then press the GPS button to confirm. And as you can see now, we're being asked if you want to pair with a phone. We need to press the GPS button to confirm, but you can also deny it by pressing the down button and set up the watch manually. But we want to pair it with our phone, so we're gonna press the GPS button. And now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on our phone. So let's open the Google Play Store on our phone. In the Play Store, let's tap on search bar, type in Garmin Connect, and then tap search. You should see the page for this application, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Now let's tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the application, we need to log in into an account. You can also create a new account by tapping on create account if you want to. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the boxes, then tap next. And we need to tap right here, enter the credentials to log in. And once you're done, you can tap on next to continue. Oh, I must have entered the something wrong. Let's try again. Okay, tap next. Oh, I see what's wrong. It's the email. Oh man. Okay, this time it worked. My bad, it took me a while. But once you log in, you will be asked to allow the permission for the location, and you can tap on manage permission and you can allow it or deny it. It's recommended to allow it, but you can also deny it if you want to. I'm gonna tap on while using the app, and if you have not enabled the Bluetooth before you opened the application, it's gonna ask you to enable the Bluetooth. Tap on turn on Bluetooth, tap on allow, and as you can see now it's the Bluetooth is being enabled. And after that, the app should automatically detect your watch. Tap on connected, tap on OK. And here we need to enter the code from the watch to confirm the pairing. So 728942, tap on OK. And now let's tap on next. And here we can set up the sleeping schedule, basically sleep time, when we go to sleep and when we wake up. This is useful if you want to use bedtime do not disturb mode. So basically, if you set up if you set the sleeping hour to 10:30 p.m. and you want to use the bedtime do not disturb mode, the do not disturb mode will be turning on at that time and turning off at time when you set the wake up time. And you can set them by tapping on the box, and you can swipe up and down on the screen to set the time like this. Then you can tap on the second box like that, and once you're done, you can tap on next, and it will ask you if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. And I'm gonna tap on yes, but you can also tap on no. Here we can set some goals like steps, drinking water and stuff like that. You can do it by tapping edit my goals now. You can also skip this step by tapping skip. If you tap on edit my goals, you will have the goals right here, and you can tap on the box to edit the goals like that. And once you're done, you can tap on next. Now we're being asked to allow the permission for the notification access. So if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care about this, you can tap on skip, but I'm gonna tap on allow and tap on allow. Here we can allow the calendar access. So if you want to receive the notifications about the events, appointments and stuff like that on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't want to do this, tap on skip. I'm just gonna tap on allow and allow. Next we have call log access. So this is for calls. So basically it's gonna show you who's calling you on your watch, and it's gonna alert you about the call. You can tap on allow if you want to use this feature. If you don't, you can tap on skip. Next we have the phone. Basically, if you want to receive the alerts about somebody calling you, and if you want to skip it, you can. If you want to allow it, tap on allow. And the messages, that's for messages. You can skip it or allow it, of course. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see this page. Tap on the sync now. Then tap on finish. And here we have the tutorial how to use the watch. You can go through it by tapping on next, or you can skip it by tapping on skip. I'm gonna just skip it, tap on finish. And now you should see the main page of the app right here. You can tap on the menu icon to open the menu. Scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and your Instinct 2 Solar Tactical should be on the list of devices connected to your phone, and you can tap on it to open the device page for your watch. And that's how you pair this watch with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.